That looks like the here, wait.
Whatever you do, do not slip and fall.
Okay.
Ay! It's very slippery. I'm gonna slip. Be careful, honey.
I got gravity.
And here's the track. And here's the golf course. Where'd Archie go? Archie!
That way.
Don't go in that, Caleb.
I will go to get across.
No, you can't. It's too deep. Check that out. Holy moly. Hey, should we get a floaty and float down?
Yeah.
That'd be so fun.
And look at that.
Wow, look at that. Incredible.
Oh, maybe.
How deep is it? Go a little further. A little bit.
Okay.
Okay, stop. It's too deep. Look at your boots already halfway in. No further, my love.